and vegetables and edible flowers. I'm so excited. I have started growing some strawberries, some bell peppers and geraniums. I have never grown anything in the UK, not from scratch like this. So I'm really excited to see where this takes me. And that's the doorbell. I share a house of like 10 people, so I don't know who that's for. I don't think it's for me. Okay, maybe it's for me. 1 second.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so the parcel was for me. Yeah, so I'm planting these fruits and vegetables and flowers in this black tray thing. It's supposed to be in an incubator, but this is all that I could find when I was out shopping. And what's supposed to happen is that they're supposed to sprout in a couple of weeks' time if you plant them correctly. I'm pretty sure that I've planted my strawberries too deep into the soil, so it will be difficult for them to push out and sprout upwards. So yeah, we'll see. Anyway, after 2 weeks we'll see how it's going, how it's looking. And yeah, I've been trying to be consistent. Well, I tried to be consistent with how many seeds I was putting in each square, just to optimize germination. I don't know what that means, but I read it online, so yeah, I'm gonna get off my bed now and get ready for the day.
Ooh, I never knew what would come around. I never looked ahead. I'm breaking rules and it's pulling us down. The words I wish I'd said. Shadow you're drawn and you got your ways. Shadow you're painted red, red. Moving afar, moving away. You make no one believe. Now won't you stay? Won't you stay, babe? Won't you stay, babe?
Oh my god. These are the geraniums. These are the bell peppers. And those are the strawberries. The geraniums are thriving. I'm so excited. And I'm whispering because it's 5 a.m. and I'm about to work out. So I've left the geraniums here, and the strawberries and peppers, I've put them outside so that they get a little bit more sun. I hope it's not too cold out here. I'm probably doing this all wrong. Who knows? There's an ant. Don't you be coming for my peppers. Don't do it. don't do it.